I didn't even shoot him. He just caught me by surprise. I reloaded my pistol, got it back and shot him twice. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind.
You are now watching
Alright, so let's jump right into it. Today we're gonna be making Melly, YNW Melly. So let's jump right into it. Go to face real quick. You're gonna pick this one right here. You're gonna go to color. You can pick that one right there. You can make them a little darker. It's up to you. And then go to hairstyle real quick. You pick this one right here, or you can go with this one, or you can go with this one right here. Look. He always has his hair up. It's up to you. It's optional. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep it here. Go to hair. Okay, so yeah, black eyebrows. Let's go to. You're gonna pick these right here. Position. Pause the video and get the stats, and then continue. All right, and then we go to eyes. Pick these right here. And then you wanna pause the video, get that real quick. And so yeah, he kind of has that smile in that one picture. This is what I got it from. But yeah, nose, pick this one. You kind of got that one right there. All right. Mouth, pick that one. Position, pause the video, get it. All right, and then go to facial hair. Got nothing there. The mole, and the mole is replacing the tattoo he has on his eye. So this is the closest we'll get to tattoos on the face. So he has it like right there. You'll see like if you look up a picture. So yeah, so pause the video, get that real quick, and that's it. That's how you make Melly on this, and you can have them on Smash Bros too. So yep, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I got murder on my mind.